Hi everyone, I'm just making this tutorial to show you how to create a Google Classroom for your students and how to add them to the classroom. It's actually pretty easy. You'll just go to your Clever page. So this is my Clever homepage, and you want to scroll down. I have Google Classroom here on my favorites because I favorited it, but you'll want to keep going down if you've never used it. And here it is under Productivity Assessment and Tools. We have Google Classroom. So just go ahead and click on it. And then when you get into my Google Classroom, here's the Miller Kinder 2020 recreated, but I'll show you how to create a new one. So you just click the plus, create class, and just give it a name. So I'll call it test class. Leave the rest blank and press create. It does take just a couple of seconds. Okay, so it created test class. Here we are. So what I'm going to do is come up here to my 4 tabs at the top and click on people. Teachers, so if you want to add some more teachers at your grade level, just go ahead and press invite teachers. If I want to invite, say, Katie Wilcock, I would type in her name, click it, and then press invite. Okay, now if I want to add students, it's the same process. I just click the plus and type their name. So Alondra Gonzalez, there she is. So I'll just click her. And then Axel Rivera, here he is, click, and just go ahead and add all of your students. When you are done, you can press invite, and it will invite them all to your class immediately. Okay, let me show you really quickly how to create an assignment. So here on the classwork tab is where you can create assignments. So I'll go ahead and click create. I've always just pressed assignment. Sometimes I will press material if it's just a resource I'm showing them, but usually I will click assignment. Give it a title, so how about count to 100? Instructions, watch this video. Okay, so now what you want to do is press the add button. And let's say I want to add in Jack Hartman's count to 100 video. So I'm going to press the link. And then I have this video open in another tab at the top of my browser where you can't see. So I'm going to come up here and just click it. Here it is. You can't see this, but I'm just copying the link at the top of my screen. I go back in here and I paste it. Add link. And there it is. So the only thing I do here usually is make it ungraded, but that doesn't really matter. I press assign. And there it is. So when students log in, they will see pretty much exactly this screen. It won't have the create button, but they'll just click it. They'll press the video, or they can press view assignment. Well, actually, no, that's for me. They don't see view assignment. Well, they do, but it's something else. So anyway, they just press the video and they watch it. And then when they're done, it does give them an option on the side to mark as finished. I'll be honest, not a lot of students have been using that, so I'm hoping to start writing right in the comments, hey, don't forget to mark as finished when you're done. Anyway, that's the short of it. I hope it helps you out, and please email me if you have any questions at all.